Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Bring another quote to help try and kickstart your day and hear your words of wisdom for this beautiful Monday. It's Monday! Get up and create something truly amazing this week. Good morning, Monday. It's so lovely to see you and your smiley face again. So, things have been ticking away nicely, but today is the perfect day to create something truly incredible. Let's look into that idea you had recently, or start some research to how you can make your plan a reality. Whatever day of the week it is, let's get things started today.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.